Alright, mabilis lang to. Quick unboxing ng Secret Lair. Ano to? Mark Pull foil. Ganyang order siguro. This is new Phyrexia, another Mark Pull, and new Phyrexia. This is ito yung my foil. Okay, quick unboxing. Let's do this in this order. Merong sweepstake. Okay, thank you Wizards. Sure, good thing that they eliminated the big package that came with. Wow, there are a lot of boxes. All right, balance, brainstorm, yes, it is glued. Balance, yeah, what the heck. Let us see these are not foil. Balance, this is foil. Non-foil. Wow. Owling mine. All right, moving right along. Let's freaking ano nga ba yun? How the hell dami. Another whoop. Same S. All right, third. Let's go. Secret Lair. Oh, foil version. Does it have the same contents? Apologies on my lighting. Foil balance, foil brainstorm, foil counter spell. Wow, foil purge. Alright, new Phyrexia time. Non-foil. Boom. Whoop. Alright. This is it. The main event of the evening. Foil cards. This has the Viscera here numbered. Let's go, Viscera here. We have the Viscera here. Viscera here. Bye bye.